Hello, my name is Kamran, and today we will discuss how to reset your root password if for some reason you don't remember it or you have lost it somewhere. Uh, to reset your root password, you need to create a init file where you can enter the change password command and then manually start the MySQL service using the command line. So we will first check the service using this command. Sorry, so it's running now. Okay, we need to create a file where the MySQL user can access it, because if you check the MySQL service, you see uh, it is running by MySQL user. So that file should be accessible to the MySQL user, and the command which we will be providing to start the MySQL service should also have the MySQL user and import, right? So if it's a production and you don't need it in emergency, so don't do this method because it requires downtime. Because we will stop this MySQL service using this command, systemctl stop MySQL, right? It is stopped right now. Let me also open the log file as well. This is the default location of the MySQL. Yeah. Okay, so it is stopped here. Okay, the database is stopped now. So now we will create an init file where MySQL user can access it. So MySQL user access the files from this location because it has all the files. Yeah, I mean, this is the default location for the data dir. So we can create an init file here. Vi init row dot. Okay, so in this init file we will en enter the command to change the root password as you do when your database is running. So this will be the command to change the root password. Let's say okay, so you need to fulfill the security requirements as well, because if you input some password and it does not fulfill the security requirement, then this is not this will not work. Okay, so we need to, let's say, one letter is capital and special character come on, then number 00, right? So this should work. This will be the command in the init file, and we need to change its uh, permissions as well. So change owner MySQL to MySQL init root, right? So now we will start the MySQL service using the command line with this simple command, like MySQL hyphen user. Okay, so you need to input the MySQL user as well, because if you uh, don't mention the MySQL user, then uh, it might there might some files in the data dir which has the root permission, so might not be able to start the MySQL service using the systemctl, right? I mean, you can also change its permission with MySQL colon MySQL to all the directory, then it will work. But the recommended method is this. So you need to input the user of MySQL, right? Okay, my hyphen init minus file. Okay, so you need to input the location where the file is kept, like MySQL init dash root and then ampersand sign. So this will start the MySQL8 service and will change its password. So if you can see, it started. Okay, and ready for connection. So now let us try the uh, password with the new password, because we don't remember the password. Then if the command work properly, then that should work. Okay, so let's see. Or lib MySQL init. So this is the password. Let us try to log in. You see the it's successful, and we successfully logged into the MySQL. Okay, now as we have started MySQL manually, then we need to kill it and start it with systemctl. There it is. So we just need to kill this so that we can start it using the systemctl. Now let's try. If everything goes well, then it should work. Okay, let's just try with the new password. This one. Yeah. So this is how you change the password of root user if you don't remember it. The thing which needs to be remembered is that this requires downtime. So it is not recommended for production database until it is very urgent and you need the root password on emergency basis. So change it when it is very critical for you. Otherwise, take downtime and do it. See you in the next video.